Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I found something so cool. So we just got out of our home decor season where we just launched a whole bunch of home decor subscription boxes on the channel. Found so many cool things, but it got all of us talking about really great faux florals, and plastic florals are really hard to find. So in my searching, I found Entry Envy, and I thought it was so freaking cool. I immediately contacted the owner. So I freaking cannot wait to share this with you. Big box, right? Entry Envy is a sign plus monthly decor subscription. More coming on that. You can choose, monthly is like mostly what the subscription is, but if you're using your sign indoors, like at a nursing home or an assisted living center, or you have an indoor, like your hallways on your apartment or condo or indoors, she has a seasonal subscription you can sign up for. But the sign is one price and the subscription is separate. So this is pretty popular with like real estate agents or new home gifts. Really, she's kind of nailed and cornered a market that is so brilliant. And I can't wait to share it with you. I think you guys are gonna love it. So here's the inside. And inside here, I know some of this is a spoiler, so I'm gonna try really hard to pull some of this out and show it to you, but when I get to a part that's a spoiler, that I let you guys know. It looks like I have the March subscription and the April subscription here. And then of course, I have my fully custom sign at the base of the box. On top here is wrapped in ribbon with some eucalyptus, which makes this smell so good, by the way. And it says, Samantha, I hope you love your new sign. Thank you so much for your support. Let me know if you have any questions. And on here are the full instructions on how to install the sign. And so she has said it's really easy to install the sign. She includes all the instructions on how to install the sign. And she even told me these can be installed into any side, like hardy plank, stone, brick, wood siding. And Entry Envy can help you hang it, including accessories, tools, and more if you let her know about the outside of your home, so that it's really, really easy for anyone to hang their sign at any time. So let me show you how I customize my sign. This is the back of my sign, and as you see, she has it ready for me to hang. There's a wire, or there is the inset in the wood. This is better for what I'm going to do. And then if you turn it around, it has our family initial. And then here is the base. This is where the subscription comes in. So let me tell you about this. You can put whatever you want here. You could have a horizontal sign or a vertical sign. You could have metal house numbers. And honestly, if I was not showing this on my YouTube, I would have put our house numbers down it, because she has beautiful house numbers. Go to the URL below in the description. You can go play all on her website. It's super user-friendly. But since this sign's gonna show up a lot here on my YouTube channel, I went ahead and just put my last name initial, and I still think it looks so cute. To have your fully custom sign created is only $109. And if you guys go search around, I definitely did, you're gonna find that this is a really great rate. This is wood. It is painted and designed and ready to be outside and to fight the elements. So the sign is $109 and the subscription is only $29.99, and they offer prepaid discounts. And then she gave me 3 offers. There is Pink 10 for $10 off a custom sign with the purchase of a monthly subscription. Here's the details right here. It comes to about $128.99 for everything. You can use Pink 15, $15 off a 3-month subscription with the purchase of a sign in 3 months. That comes to $134.99. I think that's a pretty bang up deal. Or Pink 20 for $20 off the custom sign with a prepaid annual subscription, and that will give you 2 months for free on your subscription, which is a $60 savings, bringing your grand total to $388 for an entire year. So 3 different offers, noodle those around. I think the second one, the Pink 15, is probably the best deal, but all of them are great. Entry Envy ships 4 to 6 designs each month, and they're curated by the customer style preference. So of the 4 to 6 designs that they build out, you're gonna get the one that matches your style profile most. And there are 3 styles of sign available: the outdoor, vertical, or horizontal, and then there are the indoor, vertical, and horizontal. So I guess that's actually 4. I wrote that wrong. Like I said earlier, these are for homes or apartments that face outward where sun, rain, water are gonna hit. The interior one is for nursing home, assisted living, indoor apartment setups, whatever your indoor living set is. There is free shipping in the US. They do charge a little bit additional for Hawaii and Alaska. And if you look right here, you can see, because I talked to her about what the exterior of my house is. And so I was able to add on the hanging clips needed here. So there's a drill bit and a clip. This has an entire drill bit in it. And you can add all of these things on. So if you're like, hey, you know, I want to hang this by myself. I don't want to wait on anybody else to do this. Here, my house, the exterior of my house is hardy plank, or the exterior of my house is brick. She can send you brick clips, or she can send you drill bits so that you can turn around and hang your sign instantly by yourself. We're gonna hang this sign in just a minute. And then in here, you see this green foam square. This is where the subscription comes in. So I'm gonna open March. So this is a spoiler. This is March, this is April. So I am about to spoil what one of these 6 March design looks like. So you'll get this each month. With the indoor sign, you can do the quarterly subscription. If you have an outdoor sign, you cannot do the quarterly because the wind, the rain, it just will mess things up and it won't last. And so this is the Welcome Spring design. And here's instructions. And here, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's everything in my spring. So, remove old materials and keep or toss depending on your preference. Cover with moss. So this design has this moss. You're gonna tuck all around the foam. Okay. Add floral pins to secure. Me and the screw. All right. So that's just these guys. I don't think I showed it to you. These are in the packaging, and I'm putting them across the moss into the styrofoam so that the moss won't blow away on a windy day. Then it says, pop in your Irish gnome and you're ready to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. So this could be the design, which I've got this flower right here. So this could be the design in and of itself. And if I want to keep it really simple, really clean, I could leave it just like this. Or I'll probably have this guy up the entire time because I love all things with theme. I'm gonna put him in here. Do I want him opposite? I do think I want him opposite. And voila, this is my March display. So what will happen next is, when March ends, if this stuff is all torn up, because like it's gotten rain on it, it's gotten blown up by the wind, and what is it? April showers bring May flowers. Like we just get to see that it's torn. No harm, no foul. I am just gonna throw it all away because in my April box, spoiler, April, I have this complete design ready to go. And inside here is everything for the April design, and it's so stinking cute. So we have this little bunny, we have this carrot, some greenery. Actually, this is really cute greenery. It's all very ready for outdoor, so it's not gonna be damaged. In fact, you could dust it, like wipe it off with a washcloth. And then we have a very bright, springy green. Of course, we have the pins to secure everything. And so your subscription includes every single month getting this guy overhauled, which is really, really cool. I don't know if you guys have gone to the store and tried to just buy like a little bit of something. It just adds up. It gets really expensive really quick. And so this is gonna be so cute sitting in there like that. I cannot wait to show my kids. I'm actually gonna hide this though, because they're gonna be home any minute and I don't want them to see this design and I wanna surprise them. But I want to show you guys how easy it is to hang this, and I want you guys to see it up. I have great news for you guys. This box is a giveaway box. Entry Envy is gonna give one person a complete custom sign plus a 3-month subscription. That is a $200 value on this box. So to enter to win an Entry Envy, obviously you need to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big old thumbs up, and then comment below what you are loving about Entry Envy. You can tell us about the design, the uniqueness of the concept. Maybe you like the March theme over the April theme. Just share with us what about this box you love. And then you will get bonus points if you hop on her Instagram and show her some love. She is a brand new business, and I want her to feel the love from the pink envelope peoples. And that will enter you to win this amazing prize. To note, you do have to be over 18 years of age to enter to win, and you must be located in the United States. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is such a fun find. Like, it's just so unique, and I feel like it's so interactive each month, and you guys know how I love to do things for holidays. So one nail and hung it on the wall, and it looks great. And so each month my box will come in the mail, and I will replace all of my goodies inside there. I think this is cute, but that Easter design, I could totally see myself putting that one in early because it's so cute. Entry Envy, great job. This is such a fun and unique subscription idea. Make sure you enter to win your very own fully custom Entry Envy sign and 3-month subscription by subscribing, liking, and commenting, and heading over to Instagram and showing them some love here. If you have not already, make sure you join our exclusive Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group. We have so much fun over there. And of course, subscribe, whether you're entering to the giveaway or not. Subscribe so that you can hang out with us and see other cool finds like this guy popping up here on the channel. You guys are awesome. I hope that you have an amazing St. Patrick's Day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.